Let me share with you how to make a simple and delicious cucumber and egg stir fry. I will show you a small trick to help the cucumber wonderfully crisp and prevent it from making your dish watery. Start with one large cucumber, slice it into even, thin pieces. Place these slices into a bowl, sprinkle them with about half a teaspoon of salt, then mix gently to coat every piece. Let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see water at the bottom of the bowl. The salt has pulled the extra moisture out of the cucumber. Carefully pour this water away, then rinse the cucumber slices under cool, running water to wash off the salt. Finally, take handfuls of the cucumber and firmly squeeze out all the remaining liquid. This step is the most important for a perfect crisp texture. Now, take 4 large eggs and crack them into a clean bowl. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of white pepper. The pepper helps to give the eggs a lovely, rounded flavor. Mix everything together until the mixture is smooth and yellow. Place a wok or a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. When the oil is warm, pour in the egg mixture. Gently scramble the eggs, stir it until they are just cooked through and soft. Then scoop them out onto a plate and set them aside. Using the same pan, add another tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Stir them for about 30 seconds until you can smell their wonderful, fragrant aroma. Add the prepared dried cucumber slices to the pan. The sound of the crisp cucumber hitting the hot pan is very satisfying. Stir fry them for just 1 minute over high heat. To the pan, add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, an extra quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and a small pinch of chicken bouillon powder. Continue to stir fry quickly for another minute until the cucumber is coated in the sauce, but still retains its bright green color and crispness. Now, returning the cooked eggs to the pan, drizzle half a teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil over everything. Gently toast all the ingredients together for just another 30 seconds, allowing the flavors to mingle. Your stir fry is ready. Serve it immediately. The cucumber will be incredibly crisp and refreshing, while the eggs will be soft and savory. They come together to create a light, healthy, and truly satisfying dish that is pleasing to eat as it is simple to make.